In today's world, your vehicle is more than just a mode of transportation. It is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS, designed to keep you and your family safe. ADAS features include lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot sensors. But did you know that these systems need precise calibration to function correctly? Calibration is required by manufacturers following collision repairs, sensor or camera replacements, windshield replacement, and wheel alignments. Proper calibration ensures your ADAS features work accurately, providing you the safety benefits they were designed for. We use state-of-the-art equipment and follow manufacturer guidelines to ensure your vehicle is calibrated to perfection. Trust is important when visiting your repair shop. Ask these important questions. Is my ADAS calibrated correctly? And can I have a copy of the calibration documentation? For peace of mind and safety on the road, suggest ADAS Made Simple to your repair shop or reach out to us directly.
Visit us online or call to learn more.